Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to upgrade your deck? Then I want to show you these awesome balusters from Deckorators. So our deck was falling apart. It was completely rotting out. So we had to tackle this project. But these deck balusters from Deckorators were the perfect choice for us. I love how they give a modern upgrade to our deck, and I really love the durability and ease of use. So these are 26-inch long aluminum round balusters, and they are designed for a 36-inch high rail, and each of these is 3/4 inches in diameter, made from aluminum, and they're just a really nice sleek design, and they just look great. So I love the way this turned out, and I can't wait to get everything painted and completely finished, but I know I'm going to be really happy with the end product and these rails. So we are really happy with the outcome of this project, and that's my point of view.